Welcome back, everybody. I'm Joel Leadamontes, your appliance expert here at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. And today, I want to show you a refrigerator that solves one of the biggest issues in the refrigerator market. Let's take a look. This is the LG LF24Z6530. This particular unit is finished off in beautiful fingerprint-resistant stainless steel. Now, LG really solved the problem that exists in the French door refrigerator market. Essentially, you cannot install a French door refrigerator right up against the wall because you wouldn't have enough clearance to open the door. This particular machine has the zero clearance hinge system, which allows you to open the door right up against the wall, and it opens into itself to basically give you that zero clearance. Now, looking at the front of this refrigerator here, you do have an oversized water and ice dispenser to fit things like large water bottles or pitchers in there. You also have a hybrid handle system, which gives you these nice sleek bar handles, as well as a pocket handle for the freezer door. Moving in towards the inside of the refrigerator, you have beautiful LED lighting, as well as a door cooling plus system and a slim space ice plus system. So this allows you to basically open up the ice maker here, have immediate access to its components, and it doesn't take up more space inside the refrigerator. You also have an internally mounted control panel here with one very important button, which for me is the Ice Plus button. It essentially increases the ice production of this refrigerator here, which is always nice if you were entertaining for a large group, or maybe it's just a hot summer day and you need more ice. Moving down towards the bottom section of the refrigerator here is a lighted freezer, which is always really nice. And you do have a twin-tiered storage system here. This moves out of the way to have access into the lower parts of the freezer, as well as ridges in all of the shelves to keep things from sliding back and forth as you're opening and closing the door. One of the really nice parts of this refrigerator is a secondary ice maker. You get a craft ice system, so it essentially makes these spheres of ice that melt very slowly, and it's very good for things like cocktails or other drinks that you don't want watered down by your ice. LG has really designed a great refrigerator to meet a lot of new solutions for a lot of homes. Stop on by to any one of our 28 Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom locations, or here in Boulder, 1661 28th Street. Neither myself or any one of my expert staff can help answer any questions about this LG refrigerator or other products that we have. Thank you so much, and we'll see you very soon.